Alright guys, quick video of my calls from the room today. Micron was one, and I literally called it right there in that little circle. And it's just basically a case of a very, very strong stock. It was still nicely above the pre-market highs down here, and that's where I made my long call. Now, the actual perfect sell that I teach in our chat room was right here on this candle, using a method that we teach. However, like a dumbass, I decided to take a walk in the middle of the day. I live in Florida, so in the middle of June, in the middle of a trading day, generally I don't take a walk. And it's not a very smart time to do it. It was nasty outside. But anyway, so I missed this sell, and when I got back, I sold right about there. Bought it again, 1 penny from this low right here. Very proud of that buy. Not very proud of the sell there, but I made a little bit more money on that one too. So that was Micron. Tyson Foods, the buy was right about there, and it ended up getting through the high of the day nicely, and then a second push before coming back down, and really never came back to our buy point. Dick's Sporting Goods, this one, I think it was in the watch list video last night. It was down here at the bottom of that range we were looking at, and that was the buy there. Didn't do much, but still a decent buy. Didn't do much after that, I should say. And then KNDI, again, while I was on my walk, this thing, I already had it on watch, broke the high of the day at lunch, which is unusual timing. So I missed this huge run here, but this is where I would have bought the high of day break right there. Instead, I had to settle for a buy, and I called this in the room right there as it was kind of breaking this flag pattern. And we did make a nice little closing day trade in KNDI on that last little spike there. And this is GERN. I did not trade this one myself, but I did call it as a trade idea as a high of day break before it got here. It was probably right here on this red candle. I said if GERN breaks the high of the day, it could get a nice move, and it certainly did. Now I didn't take that one, but still, that one worked out well for anyone that did. And that's it from the chat room today. Now, we had other moderators with some very nice calls too. I just didn't take the time to map them out. I said, you know what, I'm going to at least do mine and make a quick video, and we'll talk to you guys tomorrow.